my God, a monkey. That's exactly what I'll say when I see one.
Presidential 69, descent 2000 feet, QNH 1011, you're clear by ILS Yankee approach. Runway 08, report established on ILS.
Report established on the ILS down to 2,000 feet, QNH 1011, clear for the ILS Yankee, Presidential 69.
Alright, let's go flaps 10, please.
Speed checks.
Glide slope's alive. Flaps 20, please.
Speed checks. Approach Presidential 69 established, ILS runway 8.
Presidential 69, roger, you clear to land, runway 08, wind is 0304 knots, and the runway is wet.
Clear to land, Presidential 69. Runway's in sight.
In sight. I'm going to stay on it till the bottom.
Okay.
1,000.
Radar's coming on standby.
Roger. 500 minimums. Ref at 10, sink in 7.
No flags.
400. 300.
Ref at 10, sink at 7.
Minimums.
Visual landing.
TN, Fox, Mike Alpha, bonjour.
100.
Mike Alpha, bonjour. Et bonjour monsieur, le Fox, Mike Alpha, 3 personnes à bord, demande la mise en route pour un vol dans la CTR en tour de l'île Main gauche, s'il vous plaît.
Oh.
La mise en route est approuvée, Mike Alpha, avec 0626 au transpondeur, le QNH est à 1011, et rappelez-moi après à la translation.
Hey, what's up, guys? Sean and John here, enjoying the corporate pilot life. Got a new face for you. This is Erica.
Hi.
Hi to everybody. We are in French Guiana right now, lost in the middle of the jungle, enjoying ourselves as usual. Let's see if we can find this little town along the river and see what kind of trouble we can get into. Alright guys.
Alright.
Corporate pilot life.
Mm-hmm.
We're eating dinner in the car. What do we got? We
I
got
got
baguettes.
little butter with my bread.
Some
bread
butter,
with my
butter on the baguettes.
Yeah.
We got some Gouda cheese.
Laughing cow cheese.
We have some thighs, some quarter chicken thighs.
Rotisserie
some
chicken
sort of rotisserie chickens.
Mm-hmm.
What else? Oh, we got some sliced ham. Some sliced ham. We gotta open that up. We got some juice. The juice is actually really good. Pink guava juice. That's really good actually. And then we got doodoo paper.
We got doodoo paper.
We got some bottles of wine back there, but I don't think we're allowed to drink the wine.
Oh, don't forget about this.
Oh yeah, some kind of cheese bread pretzel thing.
Yes, that'll be.
It's all in French,
Breakfast
so we don't
tomorrow.
understand any of it.
This is good.
What is three fromagages? I couldn't tell you.
If anybody knows, let us know what it is.
And then for the passengers, Rouge for tomorrow. We have some Pinot Gris.
Pinot Gris. Is that the same as Pinot Grigio?
I have a feeling kind of not, but maybe.
Maybe. Okay.
Maybe it's the region in which it comes from.
Oh, that's butter.
Yeah?
Is that butter?
What do you got?
I got
Oh, is that the passion fruit one?
passion fruit Minute Maid.
Okay.
And what did we get? We got the.
Yeah, this is guava.
Guava.
You haven't tried it yet?
Guava roast.
You gotta try it. It's
Oh, that's really
excellent.
good.
It's excellent.
Last time I had guava was Hawaii.
Yeah, they do the guavas over there. The baguettes are freshly baked,
Mm-hmm.
They were still
so they're
warm.
excellent. Give me some of that butter.
Yeah, let's grab the whole one.
This tastes a little bit like what we had this morning. It's not.
Well, similar to the passion fruit stuff?
Mhm.
Yeah, it's similar, I guess. Yeah. But it is better
Really good.
than the McDonald's that we had the option for.
Yeah.
Yes.